Hello students, welcome to the next video of function class. So before starting, first we start Brahmana. शांति शांति शांति. So today we will discuss modulus function, signal function, greatest integer function, step function, logarithm function and exponential function. Last class we discussed how to find the range of the function and a different type of function like that a constant function, identity function. Okay. You know the range of the function means the value of fx is called range of the function, but the value of x where fx is defined is called domain of the function. So the set of values of x where fx is defined is called domain, but the value of fx is called the range of the function. So for range of the function, first you take let fx is equal to y, then write x in term of y, then collect the value of y where x is defined, and that value of y is called range of the function. तेणु गोटे फंक्शन रेंज बाहर करिया गले प्रथमे आम एफएक्स टाक वाई नेबा, एक्स टाक वाई टर्म रे कन्वर्ट करवा, तापर देखिबा वाई रो जो जो वैल्यू पई एक्सट्रा डिफाइंड होची दैट वैल्यू ऑफ वाई इज कॉल्ड रेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन. ओके. तो लास्ट क्लास भी आम प्रॉब्लम किसी प्रॉब्लम असाइनमेंट दिया हितला निजे करिया पई. आई होप दैट ऑल आर डूइंग दिस प्रॉब्लम. ओके. Now today we will discuss some another type of function. Number one, that is a modulus function. Modulus function. So what is a modulus function? A function f is a mapping from R to R. A domain is a subset of real number. Codomain is a subset of real number. Defined by fx is equal to mod x, read as mod x is called modulus function. Modulus function. Okay, and mod x is known as absolute value function or absolute value function or absolute value function. So fx is equal to mod x for all x belongs to R. For all x belongs to R is called modulus function or absolute value function. It can be defined as mod x is equal to plus x if x greater than or equal to 0. So mod x is equal to x if x must be positive or equal to 0 or x positive, and mod x is equal to minus x if x less than or equal to 0. You can include equal to 0 in this case or in this case also. So if x positive, then mod x is equal to x. If x is negative, then mod x is equal to minus x. Okay. Do you understand? What is mod x? So mod x is equal to plus x or minus x or 0. If we put x is equal to 0, then what happen? So minus 0. So minus 0 means this is 0. So mod 0 is equal to 0. Mod x is equal to x if x greater than 0. जो x टा पॉजिटिव होबो mod x टा में प्लस x लिखिया, x टा जो नेगेटिव होबो mod x टा माइनस x लिखा. For example, mod 2. So here x is 2 is a positive. So mod 2 is equal to 2. Mod of minus 2. So mod of minus 2 means here x is equal to minus 2. Here x is equal to minus 2. That the minus 2 is a negative value. If x is negative, then mod x is equal to minus x. Minus x, here x is equal to what? Minus 2. So this is minus of minus 2. So this is equal to 2. Are you understand? So mod of minus 2 means minus x. Minus of minus 2, this is 2. Like that 1.5. 1.5 mod, this is here 1.5 is a positive. So this is 1.5. Minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 mod. Here minus 1.5 is negative. So this is minus x. So x means minus 1.5. So this is 1.5. And mod 0, this is equal to 0. So the value of mod x, whatever may be the value of x, its value is always non-negative. It may be 0 or positive, but never be negative. Okay. So the range of the function modulus x is non-negative, but the domain is R. Domain is R. Okay. So now domain of mod x equal to R and range of mod x is equal to 0 to infinite, non-negative value. Okay. So mod x means note, mod x means plus or minus x. Mod x equal to plus or minus x. Number 2, root over x square. So root x square means this is plus x or minus x, whatever may be the value of x. So x square root means plus x or minus x. This is the plus or minus x, and this is known as mod x. For example, mod cos square x. So mod cos square x means this is equal to mod cos x, and you know mod cos x is equal to cos x if x belongs to, so mod cos x is equal to cos x if x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. If x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, then mod cos x is equal to cos x, because in 0 to pi by 2 lies in first quadrant. First quadrant cos x is positive. So mod cos x is equal to cos x, and mod cos x is equal to minus cos x if x belongs to pi by 2 to pi. If x belongs to in second quadrant, then what happens? Mod cos x is equal to minus cos x. देखो सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट रे cos x रो बेला कोन होची नेगेटिव होची, सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट cos टा नेगेटिव, तो मोड cos x टा कोन हो माइनस cos x हो, किंतु फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट रे cos x टा पॉजिटिव, तो मोड cos x इक्वल टू cos x. So in this way you have to calculate its modulus value. Like that another example also, mod of x minus 1. So mod of x minus 1 means if x minus 1 is positive, x minus 1 टा जदि पॉजिटिव हो माने x minus 1 मोटा के तब x minus 1 greater than 0 means x greater than 1, and mod of x minus 1 is equal to minus of x minus 1 if x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. तो x minus 1 less than equal to 0 means x टा less than equal to 1. जदि x रो वैल्यू टा 1 रु बड़ हो तो x minus 1 रो मोटा कोन हो x minus 1 हो, आउ x minus 1 रो वैल्यू minus of x minus 1 हो जेतला x रो वैल्यू 1 किबा 1 टू लेस हो, then minus of x minus 1 and this is equal to 1 minus x and this is equal to 1 minus x if x less than or equal to 1 and this is x greater than 1. Okay. So mod of x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 if x greater than 1, and mod of x minus 1 equal to minus of x minus 1, this is equal to 1 minus x, it is equal to if x less than or equal to 1 तेणु तार भैल्यूटा आम जो कैलकुलेट कराब बोले से सब नॉन नेगेटिव आसो किंतु मोड भितर गोटे अननोन वेरिएबल थी गोटे वेरिएबल थी अननोन क्वांटिटी थी तार मॉडुलसटा जो आम ताको उठेबा ना नहीं मॉडुलसटा नेला परे ताको नेग्लेक्ट कला परे ना नहीं सो यार वैल्यू कौन हम either plus x or minus x like that mod cos x equal to plus cos x or it may be also minus cos x. Number 3, mod x, the value of mod x is always greater than or equal to x. Mod x is always greater than or equal to x for all x belongs to R. For all x belongs to R. If x positive, then mod x is equal to x. If x negative, तो जो एक्सटा नेगेटिव हम एक्सटा जो नेगेटिव हम यहाँ कौन हम माइनस हम यहाँ कौन हम नेगेटिव भैल्यू कौन हम नेगेटिव भैल्यूर मॉडुलसटा कौन हम पॉजिटिव हम तो मोड एक्सटा इज इक्वल टू एक्स हम इफ एक्स पॉजिटिव and mod x is greater than x, mod x is greater than x if x negative. That's why the mod x is greater than or equal to, is greater than x, greater than or equal to x for all x belongs to R. Okay, that is, or you can write also mod x is equal to x if x greater than 0 and mod x is greater than x if x less than 0, okay, or less than equal to 0, less than or equal to 0, okay, it is 0 it is equal to so equal to and it is a greater than, so by combining this condition we have to get mod x is greater than or equal to x. Okay, now how to draw the graph of modulus x, the graph of mod x, that is mod x equal to x if x greater than or equal to 0 and mod x greater than x if x less than 0. जो x टा नेगेटिव हम mod x रो भैल्यूटा x टा कौन हम ग्रेटर हम जो x रो भैल्यू पॉजिटिव हम इक्वल टू 0 हम से mod x टा x हम. So in generally mod x greater than or equal to x. Write the graph of mod x. So how to express its graph? Let y is equal to fx and fx is equal to mod x. This is y, its value x, and this is known as y. If we put x is equal to 0, then what happens? Mod 0 is equal to 0. If we put x equal to 1, mod 1 equal to 1. x equal to 2 नेले mod 2 हम 3 नेले mod 3 equal to 3. तो if we put x equal to -1 mod it is also 1, -2 रो mod 2 and -3 रो mod this is also 3. So in the graph of the mod x, this is the coordinate axis, here this is the x o x dash and this is known as y o y dash, and now it is 0 1 2 3 -1 -2 -3 1 2 3 -1 -2 -3. तो 0 पकड़े 0 आसो नहीं कि 0 1 पकड़े 1 आसला 2 पकड़े ये आसो 2 3 पकड़े 3 ओके 3 पकड़े 3 आसो ये -1 पकड़े -1 रो मोड दिस इज ऑल्सो 1 -2 रो मोड दिस इज 2 -3 रो मोड दिस इज 3. So the graph of the function in this way, okay, this is and this is also like that, this is also so it's a graph of shape v style v shape. So this is equal to, here y is equal to mod x means this is the plus x. If x is positive then y is equal to plus x, if x is negative then mod x equal to what? Minus x. So clearly this is y is equal to minus x is a line. This line is y is equal to minus x makes an angle 135 degree with the positive direction of x axis, and y is equal to x is a straight line passing through the origin makes an angle 45 degree, and this angle is equal to 135 degree. Okay. You know y is equal to x is a straight line makes equal angle with the coordinate axis. जब equal angle है एति 45 होबो एति भी 45 एडा भी 45 एडा भी 45 so एति 90 plus 45 135 degree. तो y is equal to minus x is a straight line makes an angle 135 degree with positive direction of x axis and y is equal to x is a straight line makes an angle 45 degree with x axis. So देखो एटार भैल्यूटा कौन होची ओनली पॉजिटिव साइड रे कवर करची y रो भैल्यूटा केबे भी नेगेटिव आसुनी. सो व्हाट एवर मे बी द वैल्यू ऑफ x mod x its value is always positive. That's why the range of mod x is non-negative. Non-negative, it may be 0 or positive, 0 to infinite, and the domain is the set of real number. Okay. Now write the graph of number 1, number 2, graph of mod x plus 3 or mod x plus 1. How to draw the graph mod x plus 1? Let y is equal to mod x plus 1. You take some point. If we put x is equal to 0, then mod 0 is equal to 0 plus 1, this is 1. If we put x equal to 1, 1 रो mod 1 plus 1 2 है 2 पकले 2 रो mod 2 plus 1 के 3 है. So 3 पकले 3 रो mod 3 plus 1 के 4 होची. 8 पको minus 1 पको minus 1 रो mod के 1 plus 1 के 2 है. minus 2 पकले minus 2 रो mod 2 plus 1 के 3 और minus 3 पकले minus 3 रो mod 3 plus 1 this is equal to 4. देखो यार हमें ग्राफ ड्रा करिया. So how to draw the graph of mod x plus 1. So how to draw the graph of mod x plus 1? Clearly this is a coordinate axis. Here this is x o x dash and this is known as y o y dash. Okay. So this is equal to 0. Here 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if we put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. 1 पकले 2 आसला 2 पकले एटा 1 2 3 4 5 तो 0 पकले 1 आसला नहीं कि 1 पकले 2 आसियो 2 पकले 3 आसियो. सो 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 this is 4. 1 पकले 0 पकले 1 1 पकले 2 2 पकले 3 है then 3 पकले आसियो 4 आसियो 8 आसियो एपटे minus 1 पकले minus 1 रो mod 1. if we substitute x is equal to minus 1 what happen तो minus 1 रो एटा केते आसियो 2 minus 1 2 आसियो तो minus 2 पकले minus 2 then this is 3 y is equal to 3. if we put x is equal to minus 3 then y is equal to 4. minus 3 पकले y equal to 4 आसियो नहीं कि एटा 4 आसलो. if we put x is equal to minus 4 then y is equal to minus 4 plus 1. तो अच्छा एटा आसियो minus 1 रो mod minus 1 पकले 2 आसियो एटा. ओके minus 2 पकले 3 आसला 3 minus 3 पकले 4 आसियो एटा 4 minus 3 पकले 4 minus 3 पकले 4 minus 4 पकले 5 एमती. So the graph in this way. Okay, and this is also like that. Here this is these are the same. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 like that. Okay, so this is equal to y is equal to mod x plus 1. If x is positive, then mod x is equal to what? X. Mod x is equal to x. So this is equal to y is equal to x plus 1 line. If x is negative, then mod x is equal to minus x. So minus x, y is equal to minus x plus 1. Minus x plus 1. Okay. This is x plus 1 and this is equal to minus x plus 1. Okay. write the graph of fx is equal to mode of x minus 1. Graph of fx equal to mode of x minus 1. Okay. So, for this graph, first you take some value of x and y. If we put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. If we put x equal to 1, then this is 0. If we put x equal to 2, 2 minus 1 mode 1. If we put x equal to 3, 3 minus 1 2, 4 pakale 4 minus 1 3, minus 1 substitute kale minus 1 minus 1, minus 2 mode 2, minus 2 substitute kale 3, minus 3 substitute kale minus 3 minus 1, minus 4 mode 4, minus 4 substitute kale minus 5 mode 5 है अच्छा 0 पकड़े 1 आसो ये 1 पकड़े 0 तो 1 रे 0 आसो ये आसो 1 रे 0 देन 2 रे 1 फिर 2 रे 1 आसो 2 रे 1 1 है देन 3 रे 2 आसो 3 रे 2 ये आसो 2 देन 4 रे 3 4 रे 3 ये आसो 4 रे 3 आसो नहीं सो ग्राफटा एमती आसो तुम एमती आसो ओके सो दिस इज नेक्स्ट माइनस 1 पकड़े माइनस 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कले 2 ये आसो माइनस 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कले 2 माइनस 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट कले 3 एमती आसो माइनस 3 सब्स्टिट्यूट कले 4 आसो तो दिस इज 4 माइनस 4 सब्स्टिट्यूट कले दिस इज 5 सो the graph minus 1 substitute कले minus 1 substitute कले 0 आसे 1 आसे minus 1 substitute कले 2 so graph is like that okay in this way so clearly this is equal to y is equal to mode of x minus 1 graph y is equal to mode of x minus 1 so if x greater than 1 if x greater than 1 then this is y is equal to x minus 1 here y is equal to minus of x minus 1 and this is equal to 1 minus x 1 minus x here x less than 1 okay so this is equal to x minus 1 graph and this is y is equal to 1 minus x graph okay next what are the properties of modulus function now some point of the properties next what are the values of x if mod x less than 1 if mod x less than 1 then what is the value of x x must be lies in between minus 1 to 1 so clearly this is the number line and this is 1 and this is minus 1 this is plus infinite and minus infinite जदि mod x रो वैल्यू 1 टू सान हम तेरे x रो वैल्यू को भीतर रहियो minus 1 to 1 open interval x belongs to minus 1 to 1 that implied x must be less than 1 and greater than minus 1 कहीं जदि x रो वैल्यू minus 1 to 1 भीतर रहिले तार मॉडुलस रो वैल्यू को भीतर रहिबो यार मॉडुलस रो वैल्यूटा नै कि यार मॉडुलस रो वैल्यूटा निश्चित रूपे 1 टू सान हम ओके like that if mod x greater than 1 mod x तो mod x टा जदि 1 रु बड़ हबो 1 रु बड़ हो माने x must be greater than 1 or x must be less than minus 1 तो x रो वैल्यू either minus 1 टू less हबो कहीं minus 1 टू less हेले एटा होची तमरो minus 1 एटा होची प्लस 1 दिस इज 0 टू इनफिनिट एटा होची माइनस इनफिनिट जेतलो मोड x रो वैल्यू 1 टू बड़ होले कोन हबो एटा होची minus 1 एटा होची 1 x रो वैल्यू एदर minus 1 टू सान हबो minus 2 minus 3 मनकर एक्स्ट्रा minus 2 नेला minus 2 रो मोड केते हला 2 हला ये x रो वैल्यू कोन होची 1 टू ग्रेटर होची ना नै minus 2 रो मोडटा 2 1 टू ग्रेटर होची और आ कोन हबो x greater than 1 x greater than 1 है so mod x greater than 1 means where is x x must be less than minus 1 or x must be greater than 1 in generally if mod x less than equal to 1 mod x less than equal to 1 means so the x must be lies in between -1 to 1 ये 1 इनक्लूड हम -1 इनक्लूड हम एटा ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1 अच्छी माने x रो वैल्यू लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1 हम और ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 1 सो इन general mod x less than a means if mod x less than a means x must be less than a greater than minus a mod x greater than a means x less than minus a or x greater than a ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୋଡ୍ x ର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ 1 ରୁ ଗ୍ରେଟର ହେବ ମାନେ x ର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଏଇଦର -1 ରୁ ସାନ ହେଇଥିବ କିମ୍ବା 1 ରୁ ବଡ଼ ହେଇଥିବ like that mod x greater than a means x less than minus a or x greater than a and if we equal to the mod x less than equal to a means x star less than equal to a greater than equal to minus a and mod x greater than equal to a means double implied x less than equal to minus a or x greater than equal to a. For example, find x where mod x minus 3 is less than 5. Number 1. Number 2, mod of 2x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 3. Is greater than or equal to 3. Acha, answer 1. So mod of x minus 3 less than 5 means mod of x minus 3 less than 5 means x minus 3 less than 5 and greater than or equal to greater than minus 5 ଯେତେବେଳେ mod x ଟା a ଠୁ ସାନ ହେଉଛି x ର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ କୋ ଭିତରେ ହେଉଛି less than a ହେଉଛି greater than minus a but here in place of x minus 3 is there that implies x minus 3 ଟା କ'ଣ ହେବ 5 ଠୁ less ହେବ and greater than minus 5 तो find it value of x minus 5 plus 3 कर दियो so এটা less than এটা 5 plus 3 कर दवा हमें तो minus 5 plus 3 this is equal to minus 2 less than x is less than 8 so x less than 8 greater than minus 2 that means x belongs to open interval minus 2 to 8 okay so in this way you have to calculate the value of x in terms of modulus in the second one mod of 2x minus 1 answer 2 here mod of 2x minus 1 greater than 3 you know mod x greater than a or greater than equal to a means x less than or equal to minus a or x greater than or equal to a एडी x जगह हमरो 2x minus 1 अछि तो 2x minus 1 less than or equal to minus 3 or 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to plus 3 तो 2x less than or equal to minus 3 plus 1 that implies 2x less than or equal to minus 2 so x less than or equal to minus 1 or 2x greater than or equal to 4 or x greater than or equal to 2 so x रो वैल्यू डा either कोन अब -1 to less हबो or x ता greater than or equal to 2 okay so this is equal to that is x belongs to open interval minus infinite to minus 1 close union close interval 2 to infinite okay next so signal function a function f is a mapping r to r defined by fx is equal to sgnx defined by fx equal to sgn of x is called signal function okay where signal of x equal to x by mod x if x not equal to 0 and 0 if x is equal to 0 so x not equal to 0 then signal of x equal to x by mod x if x is equal to 0 then signal of x is equal to 0 and this is equal to you can also express x not equal to 0 means x may be less than 0 or x may be greater than 0 If x negative, then mod x equal to what? Minus x. So x by minus x, this is equal to minus 1. If x greater than 0, then mod x equal to plus x. So x by x, this is 1. So if x greater than 0, then x by x, this is equal to 1. If x less than 0, then mod x is equal to minus x by minus x equal to minus 1, and 0 if x is equal to 0. Okay. So signum of x equal to plus 1 for all positive values, and the signum of x equal to minus 1 if x is negative, and the signum of x equal to 0 if x equal to 0. For example, signum of 2, so signum of 2 equal to 1, because here x equal to 2 and 2 is greater than 0. Signum of minus 3, this is minus 1, because here minus 3 is less than 0, less than 0. Signum of 200.5, so 200.5 means it is a positive value. So if x is positive, then signum of x equal to 1. So 200.5 टा 1 हम. ओके, सब पॉजिटिव वैल्यू पाई 1, सब नेगेटिव वैल्यू पाई -1. So its range is -1, 0, 1. Whatever may be the value of x, the range of the signum function, range of signum of x is equal to -1, 0, 1. And the domain of signum function is equal to r. कहीं सब एक्स वैल्यू डिफाइंड हो, तो सिग्नम होची डोमेन होची r and range is -1, 0, 1. Now the graph of how to draw graph of signum of x. Okay, here let y is equal to f of x is equal to signum of x. Now you take some point, this is x and y. जदि आम 0 पकेबा, 0 पकेले 0 आसो, वाईटा 0 आसो, बिकज सिग्नम ऑफ 0 इक्वल टू 0. 1 पकेले 1 आसो, 2 पकेले 2, 3 पकेले 3 आसो, सॉरी 2 पकेले 1 आगा, 3 पकेले भी 1 आगा ना कि सब पॉजिटिव वैल्यू पाई 1. 4 पकेले 1, -1 पकेले -1, -2 पकेले -1, एंड -3 पकेले -1, सब नेगेटिव वैल्यू पाई -1. And the graph of the signum function like that. So this is the coordinate axis x, o, x dash, and this is known as y, o, y dash. So it is 1 अच्छी, it is 2 अच्छी, 3 अच्छी, -1, -2, -3, add 1, एडा भी -1 है, एडा होची 1, एडा -1. So this is equal to 1, एडा this is equal to -1. 0 पकेले 0 आसीबो, एडा 0 पकेले 0, this is the 0. Okay, so 0.1 है जो 0.1 हेले कौन 1 हम, 0.2 रे 1 हम, 0.3 रे 1 हम, 1 रे 1 हम, 1.5 रे 1 हम, सब इते ऐसे. So this graph like that. 0 पकेले this is not include, 0 पकेले 0, this is the 0, not this point. Okay, अच्छा. Next -1 पकेले, -1 पकेले, if we put x is equal to -1, then this will be -1, -0.1, this is also -1, -0.2, -1, -0.5, -1, -2, -1, like that. So here if we put x is equal to 0, देखो 0 पाखे एटा अच्छी, ए वैल्यू भी अच्छी, किंतु एटा हपनी, एटा हपनी, एटा होची 0, 1, एटा पॉइंट 0, 1, ए पॉइंट होची 0, -1. तेणु 0 पकेले सिग्नम ऑफ 0 होची 0, नॉट 1. तेणु एटा को आमे होल करले, होल रखले, दिस इज नॉट इंक्लूड, दिस इज नॉट इंक्लूड, दिस इंक्लूड, 0 into 0. So the graph of the signum function lies in first quadrant and third quadrant. First quadrant and third quadrant. This is a line parallel to x-axis in the positive direction of x-axis, the above, and this is the below to the line parallel to the negative direction of the x-axis. And the graph lies in first quadrant and third quadrant. Okay. Next, another function, step function. So greatest integer function. Let f is a mapping R to R defined by f of x is equal to square bracket x is called greatest integer function. Let f is a mapping R to R defined by f of x equal to square bracket x for all x belongs to R is called greatest integer function, where bracket x, what is bracket x? Where bracket x is the largest integer but not greater than x, but not greater than x. So what is bracket x? Bracket x is the largest integer but not greater than x for whatever may be the value of x. तेणु एक्सटा तुम जहाँ नौ नियो एक्स रेकोसी रियल भैल्यू ब्राकेट एक्सटा सब गोटे इंटीजर हम ना नहीं से सब गोटे बड़ इंटीजर हम जो बड़ इंटीजरटा से एत बड़ हम जे निज संख्या केवे भी ग्रेटर हम ना. इट मस्ट बी लेस देन or equal to x. Okay. For example 1.2 bracket 1.2 रो value, what is bracket 1.2? So bracket 1.2 is equal to 1. Why it is not 2? Because 2 is greater than 1.2. No. But why it is not 0? And why it is not -1 -2? 0 कहीं हेनी ना 0 कौन पे हेनी ना देख एटा लार्जेस्ट इंटीजर एटा सब बड़ पूर्ण संख्या किंतु निजटू केबे भी बड़ हम ना. तेणु 1.2 रो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन 1 हम 0टा सान हो -1 -2 आउट सान हो ना नहीं. तेणु 1.2 रो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन हो 1. से 3.57 रो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन के वैल्यूटा नेचुराली दिस इज इक्वल टू 3 4 हेनी 4टा कौन हो 3.57 रो ग्रेटर हो 2 कौन पे हेनी 1 कौन पे हेनी ना 2टा बेस सान हो 1 भी सान हो. लार्जेस्ट इंटीजर ब्रैकेट एक्स इज द लार्जेस्ट इंटीजर बट नॉट ग्रेटर देन एक्स. एटा एते बड़ पूर्ण संख्या हम जे निज संख्या केबे भी ग्रेटर हम ना. -1.72 तो -1.72 रो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन -1 हेनी के कहीं -1 -1.72 ग्रेटर हो. सो नेचुराली दिस इज इक्वल टू -2 ना नहीं. अच्छा नेक्स्ट -0.125 तो -0.125 रो व्हाट इज इट्स वैल्यू? दिस इज इक्वल टू देखो 0 हेनी ना 0टा कौन हो -0.125 बड़ हो. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू -1 -2 कौन पे हेनी -2टा बेसी सान हो ना नहीं. अच्छा एबे आम नेबा 4 ब्रैकेट 4 वैल्यू के 4 आगा से गोटे इंटीजर तो -5.96 ब्रैकेट फंक्शन के दिस इज इक्वल टू -6. सो व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ पाई रो ब्रैकेट वैल्यू के यू नो पाई इज इक्वल टू 3.141. So its value is equal to 3.141. So this is equal to -e रो वैल्यू कहते हैं यू नो e is equal to 2.731. तो -2.731 है -2.731 ब्रैकेट फंक्शन कहते हैं -3 ना नहीं. व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ पाई स्क्वायर? तो पाई स्क्वायर मीन्स कहता है 3.141 रो स्क्वायर तो 9 पॉइंट समथिंग है 9 पॉइंट समथिंग ब्रैकेट फंक्शन 9 माइनस पाई स्क्वायर मीन्स minus pi square, so pi square is minus 9 point something, minus 9 point something bracket function, this is equal to minus 10. Do you understand what is the value of the bracket x? So in this way you have to calculate the bracket x. So here we see that for whatever may be the value of x, the value of bracket x must be an integer, it must be an integer. So we say definitely the domain of the bracket x is a set of real number and the range of the bracket x is an integer, set of integer z set. Okay. So domain of bracket x is equal to R and range of bracket x equal to z set, equal to z set. Okay. Now what are the properties? So bracket x properties alla number 1, for all x belongs to R, bracket x must be less than or equal to x. Okay. Bracket x, its value is always less than or equal to x. If x is an integer, then bracket x is equal to x of. Suppose x is equal to, if we take x is equal to 1.2. So 1.2 हेले एटार value 1.2 है और 1.2 रो value केता होबो, this is 1. तो 1 दा 1.2 रो लेस होबो, मन को एक्स्ट्रा में -1.2 लेबा, -1.2 लेटा के तो -2 है, तो -2 डा -1.2 कोन होबो, लेस होबो ना नहीं. अच्छा, ब्रैकेट x डा इज ऑलवेज लेस देन x, ब्रैकेट x इज ऑलवेज लेस देन और इक्वल टू x. Okay, which is less than bracket x plus 1, and this value x should be less than bracket x plus 1. Bracket x plus 1 value to extra सान हम x दा bracket x रू बड़ा हो और equal भी ही पारियो. Okay, number 1 and number 2, bracket x plus n. तो bracket x plus n is equal to bracket x plus n for all x belongs to R, and n belongs to z set. N is an integer, then bracket x plus n, okay, equal to bracket x plus n, because if we take x is equal to 1.5, suppose if we take n is equal to 2, n is equal to means bracket x plus 2 is equal to bracket x plus 2. यार value संगे समान होबो for whatever may be the value of x. Suppose if we take x is equal to 1, as extra 1 पकल एटा कत होची 1 plus 2 3 हैला. So 3 रो bracket function केते 3, एटा हम पकोचो 1 पकोचो 1 रो bracket function केते 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, LHS equal RHS. Suppose तुम extra नबो 1.5 नबो, हेलो 1.5 plus 2 केते ला 3.5 रो bracket function केते होची 3 आसी. एडी कोन पकल 1.5 रो bracket function 1 plus 2 केते 3, so एटा 3 आसला, एटा 3 आसला. Suppose if we substitute x equal to -1.5, then what happen? तो -1.5 plus 2, so this is equal to 0.5. 0.5 रो bracket function केते 0 आसला ना, एडी देखो केता आसी. तो -1.5 रो bracket function -2 plus 2, this is also 0. So bracket x plus n is equal to bracket x plus n for whatever may be the value of x, but n belongs to z set. Okay, these are very important properties. Bracket x is less than equal to x, which is less than x less than bracket x plus 1 and greater than equal to bracket x, and x plus n is equal to bracket x plus n for all x belongs to R and n belongs to z set. Okay, now write it's a graph of integer function. Now we draw the graph. So graph of bracket x, let y is equal to bracket x. You know the value of the bracket x equal to 0. The value of bracket x is 0 if x less than 1 and greater than or equal to 0. जिते एक्स रैल्यू 1 टू सान हम 0 हम कि 0 टू ग्रेटर हम ब्राकेट एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0 सपोज इफ वी टेक एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0 देन ब्राकेट 0 इक्वल टू 0 जदि एक्जार तुम नब 0.1 नब 0.1 ब्राकेट फंक्शन के 0 आएगा 0.2 ब्राकेट फंक्शन 0 0.9 ब्राकेट फंक्शन 0 तो 0 टू 1 भितर ब्राकेट एक्स रैल्यू 0 हम सेमती 1 टू 2 भितर 2 टू सान माने कौन 1.9 नहीं पार 1.9 ब्राकेट फंक्शन 1 हम 1.8 1 आगा 1.999 1 आगा 1 रो 1 सो 1 आसो सेमती 2 टू 3 भितर के आसो 2 आसो ओके so if x less than 3 means 2.9 2.99 2.7 2.8 ना नहीं तो वैल्यू 2 हम एक्स रैल्यू लेस देन 0 हम ग्रेटर देन -1 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू -1 ब्रैकेट फंक्शन -1 0 टू सान -0.9 नब -0.9 ब्रैकेट फंक्शन के -1 हम कि -0.8827 तो -1 आगा तो -1 टू 0 भितर जहाँ नंबर अच्छी समस्त भैल्यू पाई ब्रैकेट एक्सटा -1 हम सेमती -2 टू -1 भितर -2 हम -3 टू -2 भितर -2 टू सान बोले के -2 टू सान मीन्स -2.5 नियो कि -2.7 नियो ना नहीं -2.1 नेबा -2.2 नेबा -2.3 नेबा -2.4 नेबा बोले के -3 आसो -3 रे भी 3 आसो so now we draw the graph suppose this is equal to coordinate axis this one is x o x dash and this is known as y o y dash hela एटा होची 1 नेली this is 2 and this is 3 and this is -1 -2 -3 एटा 1 हला 2 and this is 3 1 2 3 and this equal to -1 this equal to -2 and this is a -3 okay अच्छा देख 0 पाखे कौन हो 0 हो ना 0 पाखे 0 हो 0.1 है माने 0 हम 0.2 रे भी 0 हम तो 0 टू 1 भितर ब्रैकेट एक्स रैल्यू वाईटा कौन हो 0 हो सो ये हो दिस इज ओके नेक्स्ट 1 पाखे 1 हम 1 पाखे 1 हम सो 1 पाखे 1 मीन्स देख 1.1 टू 2 भितर कौन हो 1 हो 1 टू 2 भितर 1 है अच्छा 1.5 नब 1.5 रू 1 आसो अच्छा तेणु 1 पाखे दिस इज इफ वी टेक एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1 देन दिस इज इक्वल टू ब्रैकेट एक्स इक्वल टू 1 इफ वी टेक एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1 देन द ब्रैकेट एक्स इट्स वैल्यू इज 1 ओके नेक्स्ट 2 टू 3 2 पाखे 2 हम 2 पाखे 2 2.5 2.2 2.3 then this is 2 so this is not bracket 2 not this point not 2 ना नहीं अच्छा सॉरी 2 so 2 पाखे वैल्यूटा आसो तुम 2 this is 2 next 2 to 3 so 2 to 3 2 to 3 next we draw x equal to okay now in 0 to 1 if we put x is equal to 0 to 1 bracket x is equal to 0 तो 0 टू 1 भितर 0 1 पाखे कौन हो 1 हम नॉट दिस 1 पाखे इफ वी पुट x इज इक्वल टू 1 देन ब्रैकेट x इक्वल टू 1 सो एटा हम दिस इज नॉट 1 पाखे 1 सो इफ वी पुट x इज इक्वल टू 1 देन ब्रैकेट x इज इक्वल टू 1 okay if x belongs to 1 to 2 then its value is 1 bracket x is equal to 1 2 to 3 जो एक्सट्रा 2 हम ब्रैकेट वैल्यू के 2 आसो तो 2 आसो 2 पाखे देख 2 पाखे ए पॉइंट अच्छी एटा भी अच्छी दिस इज नॉट इनक्लूड 2 पाखे एटा हेनी दिस 1 ओके सो 2 to 3 भितर 2 आसो देन 3 to 4 भितर जदि आम ने 3 to 4 ने So 3 to 4, here 4. So 3 to 4 means 3 to 4 भितर तो 2 to 3 भितर 2 आसीबो 3 to 4 3 to 4 भितर 3 आसीबो एटा 3 आसीबो 3 पाखरे 2 नो 3 पाखरे ओके 3 पाखरे 3 आसीबो एटा 3 2 पाखरे this is 2 not this point 3 पाखरे this point 3 not this one. If x belongs to -1 to 0, so x less than 0 and greater than equal to -1, then this is -1 -0.1 रे केते -1 होबो -0.5 रे -1 होबो -1 पाखरे -1 होबो एति आसी ओके. सो 0 पाखरे 0 होबो this is not include 0 पाखरे देखो 0 पाखरे वैल्यू एटा भी अछि एटा अछि एटा कंसीडर करा जीवो नाही नहीं 0 पाखरे 0 ब्रैकेट 0 इक्वल टू 0 -1 पाखरे -1 होबो -1 पाखरे -1 -2 टू -1 भीतर -1.5 बोले -2 हेउछि -2 हेउछि सो -1 टू 2 -1 पाखरे -1 होबो ना टिके लार्ज नेबा वैल्यू so it is -2 and this is equal to -3 this is -3 अच्छा -1 पाखरे -1 है -1.1 रे -2 so इतिहासी ओके so -1 पाखरे -1 this is not -2 -2 पाखरे एटा -2 नुह -1.5 -2 -1.7 -2 ओके -2 पाखरे -2 पाखरे वैल्यूटा केते आसी -2 -2.1 हेले -3 हो -2 टू -3 -3 टू -2 भीतर -3 हो यस तो -2 पाखरे -2 not -3 ओके. सो दिस इज नोन एज ग्राफ ऑफ द स्टेप फंक्शन -4 पाखरे 4 आसी ओके 4 पाखरे 4 एड 4 नेबा हमें एम दिया आसो 4 टा एम दिया आसो 4 सो दिस इज 4 ए पॉइंट आसो दिस इज नॉट इंक्लूड ओके. सो क्लियरली दिस द स्टेप फंक्शन greatest integer function is known as a step function because if we join this point then we get it is a stepwise step function. So bracket function is known as a step function or it is known also called a floor function and a step function okay bracket x is also known as a step function because why it is a step function in different interval its value is constant. देखो 0 to 1 भितर 0 रहिला 1 to 2 भितर 1 रहिला 2 to 3 भितर 2 रहिला 3 to 4 भितर 3 आसियो -1 to 0 भितर -1 -2 to -1 भितर -2 to -1 भितर -2 होबो -3 to -2 भितर -2. So a function has a constant value in a different interval, then that function is known as a step function. So bracket x is also known as a step function and it is also floor function. Okay. So clearly this is the graph of the step function and its domain is the set of real number and range is the set of integer. Okay. The fractional part function for all x belongs to R, fx equal to chain bracket x or curly bracket x is called fractional part function or it is known as also decimal part of x. It is also called decimal part. दशमिक भग्नांश ना नहीं दशमिक भग्नांश. This is known as a decimal part of x. So for all x belongs to R, x is equal to bracket x, this is the integer part function plus decimal part. तेणु जेकोसी संख्या को आम तार दशमिक संख्या प्लस इंटीजर पार्ट ना कि पूर्ण संख्या प्लस डेसिमल पार्ट आम एक्सप्रेस कर सपोज 1.9 तो 1.9 इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस 0.9 तो 0.9 इज द फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट डेसिमल पार्ट and 1 is known as integer part. So every real number it can be expressed as x is equal to bracket x plus a fractional part of x. This is known as integer part, integral part, and this is known as fractional part or decimal part. Okay. So fractional part bracket x is equal to x minus bracket x. Fractional part is equal to x minus bracket x. For example, 1.2 रो fractional part केते 0.2 देखो 0.2 आसी ना नहीं. This is 1.2 minus 1.2. So this is 1.2 minus 1.2 bracket function केते 1. So this is equal to 0.2. So fractional part of 1.2 is equal to 0.2, 0.2. Next, if we take x is equal to minus 1.2, तो minus 1.2 रो fractional part केते आसियो 0.2 की नाइन देखो minus 1.2 रो fractional part केते एडी हम पकेबा 1.2 minus 1.2 रो bracket function एडी हम पकोचे. So you know bracket x is equal to x minus bracket x, greatest integer function. If we substitute x equal to minus 1.2, what happen? So this is 1.2 minus 1.2 रो bracket function, minus 1.2 ना कि अच्छा. So 1.2 है minus 1.2 रो bracket function केते greatest integer function. This is minus 2, एडा होची minus 2. So 1.2 minus 2, this is equal to okay. So एटा में minus 1 point ना एटा minus 1.2 पको minus 1.2 ये उसी plus 2. So this is equal to 2 minus 1.2. So this is equal to 0.8. तो minus 1.2 रो bracket function होची 0.2. Okay, like that है ना. एटा में एग्जाम्पल पकले minus 1.2 minus of minus 1.2 है ना minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 है तो 2 minus 1.2. So this is a 0.8. If we take a minus 3.9 नवा तो minus 3.9 नो डेसिमल पार्ट केते आसियो यार डेसिमल पार्ट है minus 3.9 minus 3.9 नो minus 3.9 नो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन तो minus 3.9 ये आसियो minus 3.9 नो ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन minus 4 plus 4 है तो 4 minus 3.9. So this is equal to 0.01. 2 रो फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट 2 रो फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट केते दिस 0 नहीं कि अच्छा देखो. So this is equal to 2 minus bracket 2. So 2 minus 2 this is equal to 0. So whatever may be the value of x, fractional x must be lies in between 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Okay, never be 1. It may be 0 or greater than 0 but less than 1. So the domain of the fractional part, therefore domain of fractional part is equal to set of real number and range of fractional part. Range of fractional part is equal to open interval 0 to 1. So 0 is the close interval, 0 close, 1 open. Okay, this is known as the domain and range of fractional part. Okay, now what is its graph of fractional part? देखो हमें यार ग्राफ भी हमें करिबा. Now we draw the graph of fractional part of the function. We know that the range of fractional part is 0 to 1. So its graph lies in between 0 to 1. Suppose this point is 1. Okay, this is 1. If we put x is equal to 0, then bracket x is equal to 0 नहीं तो 0 to 1 0 पाखे bracket x रो वैल्यू केते डेसिमल पार्ट ऑफ 0 इज 0. सेम 0.1 रो डेसिमल पार्ट केते 0.1 0 पॉइंट जदि हमें जेटा 0.1 नेबा 0.1 पॉइंट फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट केते 0.1 आगा. 0.2 रो डेसिमल पार्ट केते 0.2 0.3 रो डेसिमल पार्ट केते 0.3 0.9 रो डेसिमल पार्ट केते 0.9 0.9 रो डेसिमल पार्ट केते 0.9 1 रो डेसिमल पार्ट केते 0 तेणु 1 पाखे कौन हो 0 हो कि अच्छा 1 पाखे 1 पाखे तार डेसिमल पार्ट हो 0 ओके सो दिस 1 इज नॉट दिस पॉइंट देखो 1 पाखे 1 सीधा एडा अच्छी एडा भी अच्छी तो 1 पाखे 0 हम दिस द 0 y इज इक्वल टू 0 लाइन ओके दिस लाइन इज y इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड दिस इज y इज इक्वल टू 1 तेणु 0 1 टू सान ना माने 0.9 0.9 फ्रैक्शन पार्ट के 0.9 हम 1 पॉइंट जो 0.8 नब 0.8 फ्रैक्शन के 0.8 है 0.7 डेसिमल पार्ट 0.7 सो एमती आसो ओके नेक्स्ट 1 to 2 2 पाखे कौन हो 0 हो 2 पाखे 0 नॉट दिस 1 नॉट दिस इज द 2 पाखे डेसिमल पार्ट 2 रो डेसिमल पार्ट 0 2 टू सान बोले के 1.9 रो डेसिमल पार्ट के 0.9 1.8 रो डेसिमल पार्ट 0.8 1.5 रो डेसिमल पार्ट 1.5 सो आसो एमती आसो सो 3 पाखे 3 रो डेसिमल पार्ट 0 सो एमती आसो ओके सेमती -1 अच्छी -1 देख 0 टू टिके सान ना -0.1 ना -0.1 रो डेसिमल पार्ट के 0.9 हम बोले -0.1 रो डेसिमल पार्ट के 0.9 हम -0.2 रो ना कि -0.2 रो डेसिमल पार्ट के 0.8 हम -0.1 -0.9 नेबा -0.9 रो डेसिमल पार्ट के 0.1 हम 0.1 सो एमती आसो तो 0 पाखे 0 नॉट दिस पॉइंट -2 टू -1 पाखे -1 रो डेसिमल पार्ट 0 नॉट दिस वन एमती आसो ग्राफटा सो एटा -3 नेबा एटा आसो है ना 2 पाखे एटा अच्छी एटा नुह एटा -2 रो डेसिमल पार्ट हो 0 so all values of bracket x lies in between 0 to 1 okay this is the graph of fractional part decimal part of the function okay are you understand I hope that you are all are understand next so exponential function a function f is a mapping r to r defined by f of x is equal to a to the power x for all x belongs to r for all x belongs to r is called exponential function okay but a must be greater than 0 but not equal to 1 देखो exponential function रे a to the power x रहियो माने पावर टा गोटे वेरिएबल रहिबो बेस टा गोटे कांस्टेंट रहिबो जो कांस्टेंट रो वैल्यू टा निश्चित रूपे 0 टू ग्रेटर हबो but not equal to 1 it never be negative constant so a greater than 0 and a not equal to 1 is called exponential function for example fx is equal to 2 to the power x or fx equal to 3 to the power x or fx equal to 3 e to the power x 1 by 2 to the power x or equal to 1 by 3 to the power x okay these are known as the exponential function but it never be -2 to the power x -1 by 3 to the power x these are not exponential function so fx equal to a to the power x is called exponential function okay now for whatever may be the value of x the exponential function is defined so the domain of exponential function is r but what will be range of the exponential function okay first we draw the graph next we find the domain and range okay so graph of fx is equal to a to the power x where a is greater than 1 एट दीटा केस नहीं करिया पड़ियो जदि ए रो वैल्यू 1 टू ग्रेटर हबो सेडी x रो एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन रो ग्राफ रा केते देखो जदि ए टा 1 टू ग्रेटर हबो सपोज वी टेक a is equal to 2 नेबा एटा 2 नेले एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 2 टू द पावर एक्स तो 2 टू द पावर एक्स ग्राफ आम ड्र करवा so this is equal to x and y suppose it is a y so if we put x is equal to 0 then 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1 if we put x equal to 1 then 2 to the power 1 equal to 2 if we put x equal to 2 so 2 रो square equal to 4 if we put x equal to 3 2 रो cube तो 2 रो cube equal to 8 so 4 नेले आसीबो 16 आसीबो नै कि -1 नेले 1/2 आसीबो -2 नेले 1/4 -3 नेले if we put x equal to -3 then it is 1/8 1/2 रो क्यूब 1/8 अच्छा 1/2 means 0.5 है 1/4 means 0.25 1/8 means 0.125 0.125 नहीं कि एम दिया आसीओ अच्छा we draw the graph clearly this is the coordinate axis and this is x o x dash and this is known as y o y dash okay this is known as y o y dash and out 1 and out 2 3 -1 -2 -3 and this is 1 so if we put x is equal to 0 then y is equal to then y equal to 1 extra 0 पकड़ले y टा 1 होची तो extra 1 पकड़ले y टा 2 suppose this is 2 ना कि तो 2 पकड़ले 2 पकड़े 4 y is equal to 4 ओके देखो 0 पाखे 1 आसला 1 पाखे 2 आसियो केते ग्रेटर होची देख लो 2 पाखे 4 होची 3 पाखे 8 आसीबो ना कि आम जी प्लॉटेड करिया इट इज नॉट इजी ना कि डिफिकल्ट हम आम सब जाक पॉइंट प्लॉटेड करियाटा सो ये 3 पकड़े 8 आसियो 4 पकड़े 16 आसियो एमती आसियो किंतु -1 पकड़े 1/2 -2 पकड़े 0.25 और भैल्यू कमिला -3 पकड़े 0.125 हम 4 पकड़े -4 पकड़े 0.6125 यार भैल्यू आहुरी कमिबो नहीं कि जो माइनस इनफिनिट हम तो माइनस इनफिनिट मीन्स 2 to the power minus infinite as x tends to minus infinite then 2 to the power minus infinite tends to 1/2 to infinite tends to 0 तो minus infinite पाकर y टा 0 पड़े आछे so the graph of the function like that in this way so clearly the graph of the function y is equal to a to the power x कहीं एपट साइड रे if x greater than 1 जो x रो वैल्यूटा 1 टू ग्रेटर होची for all x belongs to r okay so the graph of the function is like that here y is equal to 2 to the power x if we take y is equal to 3 to the power x the graph may be like that 3 to the power x is also may be like that so in generally y is equal to a to the power x where a greater than 1 okay so the graph of exponential function y is equal to a to the power x where a greater than 1 जो a वैल्यू 1 टू ग्रेटर हम तो ग्राफटा एमती आसो बोले ना कि so clearly the graph is strictly increasing function clearly it is strictly increasing for all x belongs to r देखो why it is called strictly increasing if the value of x gradually increases then its value of y is also increases जो x रो वैल्यू आमे माइनस इनफिनिट टू इनफिनिट पाखु जीवा एक्स रो वैल्यू बढ़ी बढ़ी गले y रो वैल्यू भी ग्रेजुअली बढ़ी बढ़ी जाउची सो क्लियरली a to the power x so clearly a to the power x is strictly increasing function for all x belongs to r and a belongs to 1 to infinite a ର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁଟା କିନ୍ତୁ 1 ଟୁ ଗ୍ରେଟର ହେବ a belongs to 1 to infinite that means a to the power x is greater than a to the power y double implied x greater than y like that 2 to the power x is greater than 2 to the power y. 2 to the power x is greater than 2 to the power y if x greater than y, nahi ki? So a to the power x is greater than a to the power y if only if x greater than y. जतले x रो वैल्यू बढ़ी बढ़ी जीवो a to the power x रो वैल्यू a to the power y ठार मध्य greater हबो, नाहि कि? So a to the power x is strictly increasing function for all x belongs to R and a belongs to 1 to infinity. Now we consider if a belongs to कहीं a रो वैल्यू कौन हम 0 टू बड़ हम ना, जतले not equal to 1 हम, जतले a रो वैल्यू 0 to 1 भीतर रखिबा, then what represent the graph? What represent the graph? So clearly a to the power x is greater than a to the power y if and only if x greater than y. Okay, for a belongs to 1 to infinite. A belongs to 1 to infinite. And what is the graph of the exponential function fx equal to a to the power x if a less than 1, a less than 1 and a greater than 0. Therefore a value 0 to 1 bhitar hoibo, then write its graph. So y is equal to a to the power x where a less than 1 greater than 0. Suppose we take a is equal to 1 by 2. So what happen? A is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 2 to the power x. So 1 by 2 to the power x equal to 1 by 2 to the power x है 1 by 2 to the power x equal to 1 by 2 to the power x. देखो if we put x is equal to 0 then what happen? X टा 0 पकड़ले y टा होची 1. तो 1 नले 1 by 2, 2 नले 1 by 4, 3 नले 1 by 8, नहीं कि? minus 1 नले 1 by 2 पर minus 1 means this is the 2, minus 2 पकड़ले 4, minus 3 पकड़ले 8 आसियो, minus 4 substitute कले 16 आसियो. जतलो as extends to infinite नबा, as extends to infinite then y tends to 1 by 2 to power infinite, this is 1 by infinite tends to equal to 0. So y tends to 0. So the graph of the function like that. Here this is known as a coordinate axis x o x dash and this is known as y o y dash. Okay, and this is 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, এটা হচ্ছে 1, এটা হচ্ছে minus 1. So if we substitute x is equal to 0 then y is equal to 1. 1 रे केता होछि 1 by 2 कमिबो, 1 by 2 रे 0.25 आउर कमिबो, 3 रे 0.125. देखो 1 रे कोन होछि 1 by 2 माने 0.5 हैला, 2 रे 0.25 हबो, 3 रे 0.125 कमिबो, 4 रे आउर कमिबो, वैल्यू इन दिस ग्राफ टाइम दिस. ओके, केबे भी मिसियोनी एडा इन्फिनिट पॉइंट रे टच करियो हैला, and the graph of the function in this way like that. So graph of the function in this way. Here if we put x is equal to minus 1 then this is 2, minus 2 पकड़ 4 आसियो एमदी आसियो, नहीं कि? So graph of the function is like that. Here y is equal to the graph of the function y is equal to a to the power x where a should be less than 1 like that, a less than 1 greater than 0. जतलो y रो वैल्यू टा 0 to 1 भीतर रहबो, the graph of the function in this way. The graph of the function is like that. Okay, so clearly this is y is equal to a to the power x and this is graph of y is equal to a to the power x where a greater than 1 and this is y is equal to a to the power x where a less than 1. So clearly if we increases the value of x, the value of y is gradually decreases. That wise means a to the power x is strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing function, for all x belongs to R and a belongs to 0 to 1. देखो a रो वैल्यू 0 to 1 भीतर रहइबो तो a to the power x रो ग्राफ टा डिक्रीज हबो, देखो a रो वैल्यू 1 to greater हबो, the graph of the function strictly decreasing. Therefore a to the power x is greater than a to the power y for x should be less than or equal to y. Double implied here x less than y. Okay, x less than y. So because it is the strictly decreasing, so a रो power x का is greater than a to the power y होबो, whereas x less than y, x less than y. Okay, this is the graph of exponential function where a less than 1 greater than 0, and this is the graph of 8 over x where a greater than 1. Okay, and this is the graph is symmetric about y axis. जदि आम एटा को rotate करवा with respect to y axis, then the graph in this way like that, in this way. Here y is equal to 8 to the power x where a less than 1, and this graph is y is equal to 8 to the power x if a less than 1, a greater than 1. तो ए ग्राफ टाक आम एमती रोटेट कराब y एक्सिस जो रोटेट करिया एटा एपटू आसो एटा एपटू आसो ना कि now so whatever may be the value of x, the exponential function is defined, but its value, the value of 8 by x must be positive. कहीं एटा केबे भी ग्राफ रा नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन रोनी y रो. So the range of the exponential function must be greater than 0, नहीं कि greater than 0, 0 to सब greater हबो. Domain होची r. Now we write this point. Domain of exponential function equal to r, and range of exponential function equal to 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity, never be 0. x रो कौन सी वैल्यू पाई 8 पर x टा 0 हबोनी नहीं कि. So range होची 0 to infinity and the domain होची set of real number. Now we draw the properties of the exponential function.